Let me know when you want to do the last. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God! That doesn't know what to do. That's not how you have your hand.
So synchronized. Look at this.
Esteban is winning so far.
Which means,
1, 2, 3.
That's it, I'm done.
that's the behind the scenes of the slow mo.
1, 2, 3.
This is one of the last updates of the trip. As you see, I'm not too excited. This is the end of it. We're on the way to the airport and we are so sad. Jamie, don't laugh. You're ruining the meetings. Okay, no, this is still part of the trip, so we're having fun. Babe, say hi, babe. We're saying
Hello.
going back home, but we still have a little bit of time here to spend together. That's it. Okay, now this is. Remember the previous update that I told you was the sad part? This is the real sad part. Back then we were still partying. Right now we gotta say bye to Jorge and Cassie. We're departing here different ways, going to Atlanta. We're going back to Florida. Good thing is right now the distance is shorter. They used to live in California. They moved recently to Georgia. So we are very happy that we got to see right now, and then we're gonna start seeing each other more often. So thank you guys for everything.
Oh, thank you guys. Awesome times.
Okay.
Bye.
All right.
Okay, we're here for Florida Airport. It was a smooth flight right from the hotel to the airport. It was about an hour. The flight was smooth. Actually, it's left for the flight was like about an hour and a half flight. Bags were easy. Everything was smooth. Checking out. Right here, waiting for my father-in-law to pick us up, and can't wait to see my kids.